Hello children, today we are going to learn birds. This way we are going to hang. Chalo start. We need heart shape in different sizes. See, big, then little bit bigger, then one big one and one small one. This way we need 4. See children, when we draw a heart shape, we draw this way. See, this way, right? But we don't need this way. We need, see, this should come till down. Okay, see, this distance we need more. See, you can see this distance. So this way we want. Chalo start now. First I will show you how to make the body of the bird. This body, first thing, white one. Chalo, let's start it. See, take a glue, fold it like this and stick it. I'm going to apply the glue on the corner this way and just fold it like this. This is one part. This also you have to do it. See, this also you have to do it. Now both portion we are going to stick this way. See, you have to stick only on the border, not the full thing. See, only the border and little bit in the center, one line only. See this which, only this much line you have to do it. Press it this way and take a square paper. Okay, draw your body, head of the bird. Okay, how you want you can draw it this way. See how I had stick this thing now, you can do that also. Cut both and stick it, you will get this way. Okay, now stick the head and applying the glue. See here, back side, fold it nicely. See, from the front it is coming nicely. Okay, done. Now for the wings I'm cutting this. See the heart shape. For the wings I'm cut into 2. Okay, see, this will be the way you are going to stick, this way. This way you are going to stick. We will stick this and then I will show you this thing we have to stick it. This way I had stick and I had cut this the wings. Now stick the wings, putting little bit glue this way on the both the side. Done. Now the, see, this way I have cut the strips. Okay, one small, one big. I'm going to stick this, applying the glue and little bit ahead. See this way. See, can you see this? I have stick this way. Now put the glue on the portion. See, we are going to cut the strips like this and I'm going to show you how we are going to cut this one. See, you can lift it this way. On the center line you can see the mark of the line. So I'm cutting this much and very small cuts I'm putting here. This way. Now I'm going to show how to cut the, see, together I'm holding it and cutting this. See, this way I had cut all the strip of the string. Now this is ready. Okay, see, this is ready. Now see, you can make small tiny birds, and you can do how we had decorate this on the wall. Same way I will show you how you can decorate. You can make a frame out of this or a greeting card. See, this way. So you can stick this. I will show you how you can make the leaves. See, just taking a heart shape, same way how we had stick the body this way, and done, and you can stick it. So this is the way you can use your craft in a different way. You can hang on the wall, or you can make a card also. So enjoy your craft, click your photo with the craft, and till that, take care, be safe.